Hi, I'm Paul Sabordo. I'm a certified installer for SGA styling here in the Pacific Northwest. I've been installing film for about 4 years now, and for the past year and a half, I've been getting very intimate with FlexiShield film. I've used a lot of different films over the years, and FlexiShield is the film that I like to use the most. FlexiShield has great adhesion, it has great durability, it has a really nice gloss texture to it, very smooth, and very resistant to chemicals, stains, things of that nature, and is very hydrophobic. It's very forgiving for any type of installer using their product. When it comes to stretches and lifting, it doesn't show up as much compared to other films. And it's also backed by a 10-year warranty. It's a high-value film. Other films that are coming from overseas, you're probably spending $1,400 a roll. FlexiShield is made here in the USA in Chandler, Arizona. Anytime that I've needed help with their cutting program or their film in general, I've always had constant, consistent help from the representatives.